Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Everybody is ready with social studies copies. Summer, beta, what is it? You were in class 4th B also today. You were in class 4th C also today. In which section are you, Summer? 4th C. Then how come you are joining this link? This is class 4th A going on. This is class.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am,
I'm getting a call. Just wait. Hello.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, what we do today?
Beta, please, all of you wait for a minute. There is some confusion going on in classes. Just wait for a minute.
Ma'am, I am in class 4th E.
4th A. Yes, I know this is class 4th A going on.
Ma'am, this subject we study today.
Beta, we are going to study SST today. We will study SST. Is that fine?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you. Okay, just wait, children. Hold on for a minute. Everybody be ready with your SST books and copies. Everybody just be ready with your books and copies. Ready? Shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, beta.
Ma'am.
Okay, so we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
completed. Have we completed the chapter, or it's still left a little in the end to do?
Ma'am, the chapter is fully done.
The chapter is done. It's finished. 4th A students. So let's just have a quick revision of the chapter.
Ma'am, but
Vedanshu.
what about? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but I would be answered in calling. Ma'am, I go somewhere, so I can't attend the classes. So please send me all work of SST that we done till now.
Okay, beta, I'll send you all the work done till now.
Ma'am, but what about the answer the following questions?
Yes, we still have to do that. I'm just talking about the explanation of the chapter. Is it clear? I'm just talking about the explanation of the chapter. Now see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let's begin. with quick revision of the chapter. In this chapter, what all have we studied? We have studied about, what all have we studied about? We have studied about how many periods of history? How many periods of history are there?
3 periods of
Three
history.
periods. Very nice. Name those 3 periods of history.
Ancient period, medieval period, and modern period.
Modern period. Very nice. These are the 3 periods of history. Okay, who is a historian? Who is a historian?
Who reads history?
People who study
People
history
who
are called
study
historians.
history are
Study about
People who study history.
about things, old things to know who used in old times.
Then the next question is, what is history? What is history?
History is the
study of the past.
study of past.
History is the study of
Very good.
Study of past.
Okay. Now tell me, how many sources of history are there?
2 sources of history.
Very good, Anshrad says. Very nice. There are 2 sources of history. Now, who will name those 2 sources of history?
Ma'am, can I accept? Ma'am, can I accept?
Yes, Akshaj, tell.
Ma'am, can I study source? Ma'am, literally source and preserving sources. of history.
Very good. It's archaeological source and literary source. The 2 sources of history are archaeological source
Archaeological source.
and literary source. Now, when we talk about the archaeological source, okay, can anybody tell me what do you mean by archaeological sources?
Archaeological sources.
Yes, Arsalan Khan. Tell.
Sources are the history of ancient like mountains, buildings,
Beta,
coins, tools,
monuments, not mountains. It's monuments.
monuments, pictures,
Sculptures,
Archaeological.
paintings. Yes.
Buildings, coins,
When
tools,
we,
and paintings.
everybody, now
on page number 9.
everybody listen to me. Now, when we talk about the archaeological sources, we talk about the ancient remains. Now, those remains can be in any form. It can be coins, it can be metals, it can be paintings, sculptures, monuments. So, the study of these remains. Yes, very good. The study of these remains is called archaeological source of history. When the yes, yes, beta.
Asian remains like
Yes. Now, when we talk about the literary sources, what are the literary sources? The literary
sources are the
written sources.
very nice. Who said written sources? Very good. It is the
Ma'am, I.
exact answer. Yes.
Or
The
others.
written records, any record that is in the written form that comes under the literary sources. Now, these literary sources can also be of 2 types. One, religious.
question and answers.
No, beta, we are just doing a quick recap of the chapter. Just the verbal recap, revision, quick revision of the chapter. These literary sources can be of 2 types, religious or non-religious. Now, the religious literary sources are the ones which tell us about the gods and the goddesses and the prayer songs of that time. Okay? And what are the non-religious sources? Which do not tell about the gods and all. What do they tell about? They tell about the life stories of the kings and the queens, the rulers, the common life of the people, about their
Ma'am,
society.
the society and the culture.
Yes, very nice. About the society, about the past.
I'm like
No,
Ramayana and Mahabharata.
that is, beta, that is the religious source. That comes as the religious source of history. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Those are Ramayana and
Okay, ma'am.
Mahabharata are great epics. Now I can also give you a question in exam. Name any two great epics. So what will the answer be?
Ma'am, Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Yes, very nice. The two great epics are Ramayana and Mahabharata. If I tell you, give me any one example of non-religious literary source. Non-religious
Ma'am,
literary source.
society.
Yes.
Ma'am, the rulers of the time.
Very nice.
Rulers of the time.
Stories of the rulers, stories of the kings, story of the common people about the past. Very
Story
good.
of the
Ma'am, it is a medieval period.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it is the modern, medieval, or it can be any period. So we
Ma'am,
have
this
all.
is period.
Yes, beta, this is your SST period. Now I had a class in 4th A, but there is a clash with 4th B also. So there is this confusion that has come forward for the first time.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
We are revising. We are just doing a quick recap of chapter number 1, understanding history from social studies. Okay, now everybody open up your books to the
Ma'am.
Beta, let me
Ma'am,
see.
I don't have my book.
Which class
Ma'am, I
are you
don't have
in?
my-
4th A or 4th B? What is your name?
Ma'am, my name is Mubashira.
You're in 4th A?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just send you the PDF of the chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Understanding history, I'm just sending you the PDF.
Ma'am, and I don't done question answers.
Beta, we have not done the question answers, so don't worry. We'll do the question
Okay,
answers
ma'am.
together. Okay?
Ma'am, I have only done difficult words.
You have only done difficult words. Okay. After that, we did a lot of work that I will send today on the class group. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, I want all of you to do the work now. After this, beta, you will not be entertained on this thing. Already so many days have been passed. Today is 17th of April. And on what date did your school start? It started on which date?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 1st April.
Yes. So see, more than half of the month is gone. And every time you ask for the work from the beginning, it is going to be very difficult. Now, all of you have to complete your work by tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday. So, in all subjects, try to complete all your work because it becomes very difficult for the teachers to give the work again and again. And all those students who are sitting with the cameras off, please open your cameras. I have sent you the exercises, the PDF of the chapter. And again, I'm sending you the exercise. Have you got it, beta? The one who does not have the book, have you got the exercises? Yes or no?
Ma'am, this work we have to do in.
I will tell you where you have to do, which thing you have to do where, I will tell you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I know the book.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have not a book.
You don't have the book? Okay, beta, it's fine. I have shared the PDF of this chapter on the class group. Okay? Open your class group, everybody. See, I have shared the PDF of the chapter and also the exercises given at the back of this chapter. Now you have the whole chapter with you. All right. Everybody check it there. Now, after finishing this chapter, let us do the exercises. Let us come to the
मैम बस मेरे ग्रुप में नहीं आ रहा है.
wait.
Ma'am, we need to take which subject?
We are doing SST, beta. We are doing SST. Now, see, I have sent it on the other group also. 4th B group also. Earlier, I had sent it only on 4th A. Now, it is on the 4th B group. Clear? Everyone has got the work? Now, both 4th A and 4th B students, all of you take out your SST copies and do the first exercise, that is the fill in the blanks in your copies. Everybody take out your notebooks. You have to do this work in the notebook. The dash is an epic. Who will tell the answer? Which of the three is an epic?
Ramayana.
Ramayan. Yes.
Ramayan.
Very nice. Okay, Akshaj. Akshaj, what makes you laugh so much in the class, beta? What is
I
the-
was laughing.
Yes. What happened? What is so funny going on around you that is making you laugh?
Nothing.
You can always make us laugh also, beta. We would also love to laugh. If there is any joke going on around anyone, you can please share the joke. Always. Okay. Then the next one. Dash is an autobiography.
Baburnama.
Baburnama.
Rama.
Baburnama is an autobiography. Okay. Tell me, what is an autobiography? An autobiography
Mama.
is a self-written book. It's a self-written book. When somebody writes a book on himself, on his or her own life, that is an autobiography. A self-written book. So Baburnama was written by Babur himself on his life experiences, on the battles he had fought, on the victories he had achieved, and on the defeats he had faced in his life. Baburnama is an autobiography. Then the third one, the study of coins is known as, who will tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Autobiography.
tell.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Nandini will tell.
Ma'am,
numismatic.
Ma'am, numismatic. Ma'am, numismatic. Numismatic.
Then the next one, the dash is a monument. Which is a monument?
Ma'am, Redford. Ma'am, Redford. Redford. Ma'am, Redford.
Very nice. Now all of you do this exercise in the form of fill in the blanks in your copy. Everybody start doing it right now. And those who have not done the previous work, leave 2 or 3 pages for the previous work.
Ma'am, we have to write fill in the blanks or tick the correct option.
No, you have to write fill in the blanks only. And don't give the correct options under this thing also. When you write in the copy, just do it in the form of fill in the blanks. Okay, Shish, beta, is your work complete? From the beginning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So beta, do one thing, click pictures.
Ma'am, now what we have to do?
Be quiet. You have to be quiet right now. Click
Ma'am, I am
pictures.
asking one thing. Ma'am, we have done till the 2 forms of history.
Do 2 sources of history, beta. 2 sources of history.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? वहां तक
I'm
from the
clicking.
beginning, from the difficulty, just send the whole work.
Ma'am, this is the first exercise of the chapter.
Yes, Avni, this is the first exercise. Now, those who have not done the previous work, I'm just Wait for 2 minutes. Be patient. Let Shirsh share the work. I'm going to send it to you. You have to leave these many pages to do the previous work. Is that clear to all of you?
Ma'am, I have to send to you or group?
In the class group, beta. You can send it in the class group. I will share it. I will share the same work in class 4th. Okay, so both the classes have the same work.
मैम फर्स्ट प्रैंक का आंसर क्या है?
First, blank ka, Ramayan. The dash is an epic. So which is an epic?
Ma'am, please send the previous work.
Nandini, could you not hear that you have to wait for 2 minutes? I'm telling you, not Shirsh is sending the work. Be patient. Now see, check the class group, Nandini. He has started sending the work. Everybody mute yourself. One page for difficult words, the other page for key points.
Ma'am, I have done this work.
So you have to be quiet now. It is being sent for the ones who have not done. Then third page for 3 periods of history. And one more page for 2 sources of history. So you have to leave 4 pages altogether for the previous work. Clear to each one of you?
Okay, ma'am.
4 pages together for this work, and then put today's date. Thank you, Shirsh, for sending the work. Now put today's date and write down the chapter name and start doing the first exercise. Clear to everyone? Shirsh, is that clear to you?
No, ma'am, I have not.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I have not.
It's not clear. Okay, Rishabh, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I write the fill in the blank.
Yes.
Then
You have to do fill in the blanks exercise in your copies, in your social studies copies. Okay?
We do exercise B also.
Beta, Abhi, I'm just talking about exercise A, no? Why are you rushing to exercise B?
Ma'am, what is the answer of third one?
What is the third one? Let me see. The study of coins. Now, what is the study of coins called? Numismatics. The answer is numismatics. Yes.
And we have to just do fill in the blanks.
Yes, beta, you have to just do exercise A in your copies. And don't do it in the tick the correct option form. Do it in the form of fill in the blanks. Okay? Just underline the word that is missing and do it like this. Like how we do fill in the blanks.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, ma'am.
Yash, what have you done? Fill in the blanks.
Yes.
Very nice, beta. Wonderful. Now keep waiting. Wait for other students.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Wonderful.
I'm lost.
Ma'am, please repeat which work we have to do in notebook.
अभी नहीं है, बाद में बात है.
Ma'am, we will send a WhatsApp number.
What, beta? What are you asking?
What? I have done.
Ma'am, please repeat which work we have to do in notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, listen. What is the confusion? I am seriously not feeling that I am teaching class 4 students. It looks like I'm sitting with class 1 students who are unable to understand anything. You have to do exercise A of the book in your notebooks. Clear to all of you, or you want me to speak in any other language? Tell me. Is it clear? Are you class 4 students
Yes, ma'am.
who are able to understand English language?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Anybody who cannot understand English?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Leave
Ma'am, I have
4
done.
pages for the previous work, those who have not done the previous work. 4 pages are to be left only by those students who have not done the previous work. If you have done the previous work, be quiet. While I'm talking, no excuse me's. If you have done the previous work, put today's date right on the next page and start doing fill in the blanks of books in your notebooks. Clear? This much is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Now anything,
ma'am.
now what is unclear, now ask. Now what confusion is there?
Ma'am, I can't see the fill in the blanks option at the last.
Which one, Shirsh?
Ma'am, first to last.
Beta,
All.
you can't see the options means?
Ma'am, there are options.
Are you checking from the picture that I have sent on the group?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, now what is it? Just wait.
Ma'am, we
Let
can
me
do
know. Wait.
notebook.
Beta,
I
options
have-
dekho. Listen, Shirsh, now listen. Look into your book. Look into the picture that I have sent. First fill in the blank है. The dash is an epic. नीचे 3 options दिए. Purans, Ramayan and Jataka tales. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are 3 options given. Now what you have to do in the book, you have to correct. Oh, sorry. You have to take the correct option.
Ma'am, we can do the
Who is-
fill-ups in our notebook.
Who is speaking in between while I'm explaining? What is this name? Girl's name? Shirsh, have you found it?
Yes, ma'am, it's Ramayan.
Ramayan. Okay? These are 3 options given and you have to take the correct option and write the answer in the book. Done? So these are the
Ma'am, in
options.
third one, in the third one, A, B, us are clear, but the third
Okay.
one is not clear.
In third one, the third option is given cartography. C-A-R-T-O graphy. G-R-A-P-H-Y. So beta, you don't
Okay,
have to
ma'am.
do anything of these options because when you will do this work in your copy, then you don't have to write these options there. You simply have to write it in form of fill in the blanks. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Options copy में नहीं लिखने. हमें copy में कैसे करना है? जैसे हम normally fill in the blanks करते हैं. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Mubashira, say what you were saying.
Ma'am, we have to do the fill-ups in our notebook.
Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
तो बेटा book नहीं है तो अभी तो I have shared everything in your class group. किसके लिए share किया है?
Okay,
आप
ma'am.
लोगों के लिए तो share किया है.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Yash Mahajan. What are you saying? Beta, I can't hear you. Yash Mahajan, I can't hear you. Arav Solanki, we are still on the first chapter.
Ma'am, we have to write options also.
No, you don't have to write options. You just have to do it like how you do fill in the blanks in a very simple manner. Clear? Clear to each one of you? Yes. Now next class is the next class is going to start at 11:20. Is that correct? Yes. So you have the class teacher's lecture. The last two lectures are the class teacher's lecture. Class 4th B, are you all ready with the show and tell thing? You have the show and tell competition today. Are you all ready? I posted a message on the class group yesterday. Isn't it? Yes. So you have to take any object, your favorite object in your hand, and you have to speak on it. Are you all prepared for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very nice. So in the next period, we'll have that fun activity today. We are going to have lots of fun. So you all have
Ma'am, who is the class teacher of
class 4th A. It's Riti ma'am. Riti Jha ma'am. Okay, now everybody do this work. I'm waiting for all of you to finish this work.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, I have also done.
Very nice, beta. Very nice. You have done. Please let's wait for the ones who have not done. There are students who work with different speed, right? Yes.
Ma'am, we need to send the work in WhatsApp group.
No, you don't have to send the work anywhere. Don't send the work.
Ma'am, which work?
Now, who is asking which work? Beta, whole period has gone in telling you which work you're supposed to do. Why have you joined the class late? Tell me, why have you joined the class late? I want to know the reason. You were supposed to join the class at 10:40. Why didn't you join at 10:40? Because of you students, the class gets so disturbed. We are unable to carry the work with a good rhythm, smoothly. We are unable to do the work smoothly because you students don't join the class at time, and then in the middle of the class you will ask, ma'am, which work, ma'am, what work. Now you will do one thing, you will see the recording of the whole class today, and then you will make it out yourself which work you're supposed to do. The last 5 minutes are left and I can't explain you the whole work beta again. Arav Solanki. Either join the class within the 5 minutes of the link that is shared, or if you don't join it, then please keep yourself mute in the class. Don't disturb the class by asking unnecessary questions. I'm going to be very strict this time. Learn to be punctual, learn to be disciplined. All of you have done the work? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Tirsh,
Yes,
Bella, have you done the work?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's
Yes,
come
ma'am.
on to the next exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
The next exercise is match the following. Now, let's match both the columns. Let's see. What is an autobiography? What is autobiography?
Ma'am, a story of person life written by the person. Story of
Very
person's
nice.
life
Story of a
written by that
person's
person.
life written by that person.
Yes. Or in simple words, a self-written story. A story written on oneself. So autobiography gets matched to the C, column B, C. Then next, historian. Who is a historian?
People who study history are called historians.
The study of ancient remains.
No.
A person who examines source of history.
Very nice. Historian goes with the D option. A person who examines sources of history. A historian studies, no? A historian studies sources of history, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes.
a historian is a person who examines the sources of history. Clear? Yes, beta. What, Arsalan? No. This exercise you don't have to do in copy. It is only to be done in the book. Clear? Next, monument. What is a monument?
Ma'am, an archaeological source to study history.
Very nice. Option E. Monument goes with option E. An archaeological source to study history. What is a monument? Monument is an archaeological source. Then, fourth one, archaeology. What is archaeology?
The study of ancient remains.
Very nice. The study of ancient remains.
Archaeology source of study history.
Archaeology, no beta, the study of ancient remains. Archaeology goes with option A. Some student has sent me this work. Please don't go by this work, the one I have sent you in the class group. All answers are wrong. Mark the answers correctly yourself in the book. Inscription is engraved messages. What are inscriptions? They are the engraved messages.
Story of a person life written by written on hard surfaces by a sharp object.
Yes. This engraved messages are called inscriptions. All right, children. So let's bring the class to the end now. The time is over now. Please join your next class, all of you.
Bye,
Bye for now. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.